Hi, this is Deborah, your instructor, and I'm going to walk you through how to approach module number 6. As you can see, I have logged into Canvas, and I'm going to scroll down into the module button area. I'm going to click the button to go to the modules. Okay, so module 6 is here. It's called Integrating, Reviewing, and Collaborating. So let's begin by going to the overview page. On the overview page, it first mentions the three main areas of content in Module 6. Integrating, which means blending different objects from other files into the slides, other files like Word or Excel or Access. Reviewing, which means checking for mistakes, omissions, and revisions, especially revisions and updates done by other people to your file. And collaborating, which means working with at least one other person on one PowerPoint presentation. Much of Module 6 has to do with bringing in outside sources, and so we're going to work with that. And also in this module, there will be an opportunity for you to do an extra credit project, a very small extra credit project. The skills covered in this module are more advanced than the ones you've done before. You're going to add content from other sources, work with multiple open windows on your computer, add sections to organize presentation slides. Sections is a special tool in PowerPoint. You're also going to use some of the proofing tools to correct errors and translate content and things like that. You're also going to create a customized slideshow of selected slides within a presentation, which means sort of creating a miniature presentation slideshow within the main slideshow, a smaller one. So you'll see what I mean when we get into the chapter. You're going to insert, edit, and review comments made by yourself and other people, compare different presentations together, and also consider feedback from your collaborator or whoever is your partner. You're going to prepare to share a presentation by removing personal information, checking for accessibility issues, which means people that might have certain challenges like hard of hearing or people with visual problems, that kind of thing. Also checking compatibility with former, let's say that you were going to send your presentation to someone who has an older version of PowerPoint on their computer and maybe not your more updated version. So if you check the compatibility before you send it, then you can be sure that they can still open it and watch it. Marking a presentation as final and adding a password is a way to protect the work that you've done so nobody else can change it. You're also going to learn to save and export a presentation by creating different file types and creating a video. Here is a summary of the tasks you're going to do in Module 6. Please read the lecturette very carefully. Read Chapter 6 in your textbook. Do the how-to exercises and the pause and practice exercises within the chapter. You don't have to do the Let Me Try SimNet tutorials, but they are recommended. On a page in Canvas, you'll see some videos, and you're going to watch those, I think 2 videos there that I created to help you understand some of the new features you'll be using. And you're going to upload a PowerPoint file that you're going to work with on that page that has to do with sections. You're going to learn, or rather practice, how to create sections in a long PowerPoint file. So even though it says here upload a single slide PowerPoint file, that's not what you're doing. It has more than one single slide in it. Sorry, that was a mistake written here, but I'll fix that. You're going to then also complete a main PowerPoint project, but this time you're going to create it, start it, and create it, and then upload it and put it into SimNet. You're going to submit it into SimNet instead of submitting it into Canvas. How to do that is described in detail here in Canvas. You'll see that shortly. An optional task is you can do an extra credit project which involves an online collaboration with one of your classmates. And again, I'll discuss how to do that. So I'm going to go to the next page here in Canvas. This is the lecturette. Please read the entire thing, scroll all the way down to the bottom, It covers detailed information about integrating, reviewing, and collaborating. These are the three main areas of Module 6. Sections is included in here. Custom slideshows is included in here. So please read the whole overview. Going to the next page. This just reminds you to read Chapter 6 in your book. That's all. Nothing important here. I'm going to click Next. Okay, this is the first thing you're actually going to turn in and submit in Module 6. There is one video here that I created that shows you how to work with sections in PowerPoint, how to insert sections and rename them and what they're used for and how to manipulate them. So please watch that video first, then follow these steps down here, and what you're going to do is click on this link right here, which will open a PowerPoint file, and then follow these steps, do what the steps tell you to do in that file, and then save it down here with this name. Step number 8 tells you which name to give it when you're doing a file, a save as, and then you're going to turn it in on this page. In the upper right corner of this page in Canvas, you're going to upload and submit this file. This is worth 10 points towards your Module 6 grade. I'm going to click Next. Okay, on this page, it's the Module 6 project page, and this is the main project for Module 6. Please read the whole thing, of course. Read the introduction. You will notice some details in here that you may not have seen before. Especially pay close attention to the important notes. Okay, watch and read the notes. There are 2 videos here that I want you to watch. This first one demonstrates how to create a custom slideshow and then link to it from within the main slideshow. And then the second video shows how to use OLE, or object linking and embedding, between PowerPoint and Excel. Please watch the videos carefully. They are not step-by-step instructions, by the way, on how to do the main project. All these videos do is show you generally how to use these features. Okay, down here where it says what to do, that is where you should go to read exactly what to do step by step to do this project in SimNet. Okay, pay close attention to that. Finally, the last page in Canvas for Module 6 is the optional extra credit mini project. It does require that you collaborate with one other person in your class. Now, it's important that the 2 of you work together if you want to do this extra credit. It's important that the 2 of you do your job and work together, because if one of you drops out and just blows it off, decides not to do it, then neither of you can earn the extra credit points. You both have to work together. So here it shows you how to find someone to work with you, how to find a collaborator. You can do that in one of the discussions here in Canvas, and I'll give you instructions about how to do that in a later email, but if you look here, the instructions are here. There are step-by-step directions on how to find a partner, a collaborator for Module 6 extra credit, and there are also some important notes here to follow, so please read through everything. And then towards the bottom it shows you step by step how to do the extra credit project. There's a few steps that partner A will be doing, and there are a few steps that partner B will be doing. And then partner B will be the one to upload the file and turn it in, on behalf of both of you. Okay, so again, for the Module 6 extra credit, you're going to have to go in to a special Module 6 extra credit discussion that I'm going to create here in Canvas. If you don't see it immediately, give it a day or two, and then you'll see it there. So again, it might take you a couple of days to get this done. Therefore, the due date for the extra credit project here is a couple of days after the main project is due and that mini project is due. So the main Module 6 work that is required for you to do is due all at the same time. But then if you want to do the extra credit project with a collaborator, that's not due until 2 or 3 days after the main project is due. That's to give you enough time to find somebody to work with and then get the project done. If you have any questions, please let me know.